This is the message for brother Abdul Majid. He asked, yeah? Okay, so what we've done is we've got the fish tank pump, cable coming out, going straight to the fish tank pump, and it's pumping water, it's dragging water into the pump and out of this green pipe, yeah? So it comes out of the green pipe, goes straight into the CPU cooling bottle, yeah? Right to the bottom of the CPU cooling bottle, where you've got the cold water going in, right to the bottom. And I'm going to quickly remove it, just to show you how it works. So there's a piece of copper, and there's a hole in the bottom of the bottle, so it drags water in, yeah, the heat in, and straight back onto the, this isn't fixed on or anything, just the testing piece. And then the hot water, which is right at the top, yeah, hot water which is right at the top, the pipe finishes here, just there, yeah, is dragged in through the graphics card holder, cooling unit. That's not in use at the moment, it's just sitting there, don't need it at the moment, just for testing. And then the water goes back in to the little cooling tank through this green pipe. As you can see here, it's bent, so it's not really drawing that much, but yeah. So you can put either your heatsink and fan inside there or above that, or you can put in your pack of ice or whatever you want to use. I'm gonna use screen wash instead of this stuff afterwards, which is apparently it's got some good, yeah, screen wash instead of water, which hopefully will save the motherboard from any damage in case it leaks. And yeah, it's apparently got some good qualities to it. And that's basically the board, straight on there. Quite a simple process. What you've done here is used silicone, yeah, heat resistant silicone. Right at the bottom as well, we've used a washer. We used heat resistant silicone to actually seal it all off and make sure the pipes sit properly. It's just a crude design for testing, and it seems to have worked quite well this time. I damaged the last motherboard, which is here, because I didn't use any heat resistant silicone, and that stuff melted off and killed a motherboard that can take up to 16 gigs of RAM. But anyway, it's done. Yeah, and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna try and fit all of that, the hard drive, the DVD drive, power supply separate, liquid heatsink, smaller one than the bottle that we used, yeah, a tiny one with the Vaseline jar, you know, them little lip balm pots. And so we're going to have the DVD drive, the hard drive, inside the laptop hard drive. So we're going to substitute the 3.5-inch hard drive and the DVD drive for the small laptop DVD drive and hard drives. Set our 2.5 hard drive and a USB IDE DVD drive. Then what we'll do, keep the power supply separate, and whatever cooling unit we end up making, put it there, use that. As you can see, with that setup as it is at the moment, there's just a heatsink on there. Does the job fine. As you can see, local disk, which is from a Dell. What Dell? Anyway, yeah. Yeah, I remember. Yeah, that's fine. Anyways, so then what will happen is we've wired up the power switch, the power cables, in order to work with that teeny little thingy bob. There you go. That's neat, isn't it? Look, see that? I should have been the computer and that being. Yeah. So what we done here, we made. Let's return the light. That's better. So we got the Techno mate Yeah. Digital satellite receiver with the power button and everything. Yeah. And then what we've done, I know it looks a mess, but it's quite neat. Look how small it is. You get me? Yeah. And then, yeah, for now I've used a normal real heat sink, but I'm going to use the water system, a smaller one. So what we've done is we've used the 2.5-inch hard drive SATA instead. Oh my god. Yeah, that's alright anyway. Yeah, 2.5-inch SATA, which is going to fit somewhere here. I'm not going to bother with the PCI slots now, PCI Express or whatever. Yeah. It's all working. Let's see what kind of temperatures we get. Core temps. Allow 37 degrees. Yeah. Running at 2 gigahertz. You managed to fit 8 gig, 64-bit, and a 3 gigahertz in there. It's gonna have a little water cooling system, God willing. For now, it's got some loud ass fan with a heatsink on it, but still, it does the job. And a real power supply for my desktop, which is gonna have to be kept separate. And then this thingy bob Technomate little cover will go on top where it fits, and then it's just gonna be, yay! That's neat.